We know a project development manager is key to a project's success, but on what terms should you actually engage them? There's cost plus, there's a consultancy fee, and there's also a fixed price contract. Property development is complex, and every decision, especially the contract type, can impact the project outcome. That's where a property development manager steps in. But the big question is, how should you actually engage them? What type of contract should you have? Cost plus, consultancy fee, or a fixed price contract? First, let's talk about fixed price contracts. This approach can seem appealing because the contractor agrees to complete the project for a set fee, which gives you predictable costs. But here's the catch. Contractors may try to adjust material choices or compromise on the quality of the final finish to try and protect their margins when unexpected challenges arise in the project. On top of that, if any changes occur during your project, you will face additional costs through variations. At TWMH Developments, our cost plus contracts are simple. We charge a small management fee and a small percentage of the total build cost. Now, you might think this incentivizes us to drive up the cost to increase our fee, but here's why that's not the case. First, a good property development manager will never take such a short-sighted approach. Secondly, transparency is key. We manage the subcontractor procurement carefully, ensuring costs remain competitive, and you get transparency of that. That way you know exactly where your money is going, and we protect your investment together and not inflate it. Now let's talk about the consultancy fee model. We charge a fixed fee for our expertise, but here's the difference. Instead of contracting with us, you as the client contract directly with the subcontractors. But don't worry, there's no additional workload for you. We still handle the entire process, ensuring competitive prices and managing the project from start to finish. This way, you get the best of both worlds, expert oversight and cost transparency without having to lift a finger. So why engage a property development manager in either the cost plus or the consultancy fee model? It comes down to expertise, flexibility and financial management. PDMs protect your interests, giving you transparency into the costs and ensure the project stays on track. With cost plus, you gain flexibility. With consultancy fees, you only pay for the strategic oversight that you need. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out in your property journey, working with a property development manager in a cost plus or consultancy fee structure can be your best bet for a successful project. If you're ready to get started, contact TWMH Developments today by leaving a comment below.